Hi, I'm Andy Johansson. I'm looking forward to taking you on a tour of LUX Global Label. Just a little background about our company first. We're built on the legacy of a 105-year-old printing company. We've been printing labels and shrink sleeves, flexible packaging for decades. One of the things that makes LUX very unique is that we have every printing technology under one roof. We have gravure, we have flexography, we have silkscreen, we have offset. We have them in combination with themselves. In addition to our capabilities, LUX is very process driven. We follow CGMP and lean manufacturing guidelines. This allows us to achieve outstanding quality and meets the different requirements of our pharmaceutical, personal care, battery, and food customers. Looking forward to taking you on a tour, and let's go. This is one of our FA4 presses. It's a 17-inch wide flexographic press. It also has screen capabilities. The job we're running on right now happens to be a shrink sleeve. We run a tremendous amount of shrink sleeves on these presses. We also run a lot of pressure sensitive labels. One of the unique factors about FA presses are the sleeve technology. So the plates are mounted on sleeves. The sleeves can be mounted or slid off of a mandrel so you can change over from copy to copy very, very quickly. I wanted to share with you our newest investment. This is a state-of-the-art FA4 10-color press, the newest technologies from Nil Peter. It's super high speed, runs about twice as fast as our current flexographic presses. 10 colors. It has the best registration system in the industry. It'll allow us to run shrink sleeves, pressure sensitive, at very high speeds, which means lower cost for you. Also, because of the registration, very low wastes. This is one of my favorite areas of the plant. This is where our MO4 starts. We have 4 MO4 presses. This particular one, 17 inches wide, has combination gravure, offset, silkscreen, and flexo. What does that mean? It means right now we're printing a beautiful label that has gold metallic on it and has incredible high definition illustration imagery on it. One of the other things that is special about our presses, every one of our presses has AVT vision system. It's 100% defect detection, which means that every label that leaves this facility, you can have faith is perfect because it's run through these defect detection systems. This kind of press gives us the flexibility to be able to run all kinds of different designs for all of our customers. Outstanding press. This is our big boy press, a Cerruti R970. It's a 30-inch, 8-color gravure press. It has automatic wash up in all the units. It has the ability to change over copy very quickly for a gravure press. We print our battery labels, our shrink sleeves, and our flexible packaging on this line. It's extremely high speed and the highest printing quality that you could find in the industry. Also runs beautiful metallics. This is LUX Global Label's Mark Andy Booklet Press. We do a whole variety of different booklets. We can do multiple different sizes. We can do multiple different pages. We can run multiple different levels of lamination. We can print on the base. We can glue the inserts down. LUX also prints our own inserts in-house on our Heidelberg offset press. This is our finishing area. We've got about a dozen different slitting machines. They're all very high speed. They all have the AVT vision system. The operator is visually inspecting with strobe lights as well. This is a pretty critical stage of manufacturing for labels and shrink sleeves. And by having the right kind of slitting equipment, the high-tech equipment that we have, we can guarantee the web tensions of the finished rolls that we send you, which is really important on your line. If you have too tight a roll, it causes application issues. If it's too loose, when your operators pick up the rolls, they telescope all over the place. Just another example of LUX's best-in-class equipment. This is Carville's 500 series shrink sleeve seamer. It has outstanding seam integrity. It runs at a very high speed and oscillates within a very tight range. It gives us the ability to guarantee that the shrink sleeves that leave our facility have seam integrity, won't have any blocking issues, and will be the right web tension. Now we're in our warehouse. This is considered a narrow aisle warehouse. If you notice, there's a track line that runs down, and our forklifts follow that track line and stay within the aisles. The advantage is that it gives us the ability to store a lot of material in a small space. So we have all of our incoming raw materials. We also store our finished products. All of this is stored in temperature-controlled environments. The whole plant is temperature-controlled. Thank you for joining us on a short tour of Lux Global Label. In addition to all the great presses that you saw, we have a fantastic pre-press department, super creative. We make all our own plates and screens in-house. And we have a dynamite innovation R&D team that can help support all your projects. Hope to see you soon.